This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a double wishbone independent front suspension, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, traction control, air conditioning, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Andy Mohr Chevrolet is the place to find new Chevrolet cars as well as pre-owned cars in Indianapolis. You can visit our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Visit Andy Mohr Chevrolet today at 2712 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohr-chevrolet.com.